family. The family of Honorable Soipantuya, kindly to come to the side of the stage. We request that it's the immediate family, and we have large families. We thank God. We have large immediate for the work that has gone forth. So the family of Honorable Soipantuya to be on the side. All right, Honorable Soipantuya. Then let's have the family of Honorable Alice Muthoni Wahome coming to the side.